Well, hello there, writers. Okay, so today we are working on session 5. It's going to be short and sweet. I feel like you're staring at my nose. Stop it. Stop staring at my nose. Okay, that's better. I just want to make sure you're paying attention. Okay, so today we're going to be setting ambitious goals and publishing. So this is going to be short and sweet, as I mentioned before. And I'm just going to go over a few checklists with you, and then I'm going to give you the rest of the hour to really do writer's workshop, work on your writing, conference with me, so that we can get publishing as soon as humanly possible. Okay, so what I want to go over with you today while you're writing, I have this anchor chart on the wall, courtesy of Sarah Banger. And it's to write a news story, and it's just an anchor chart that kind of gives you, reminds you of what you're supposed to include in your news story. So before you publish, I want to make sure that you have all of these elements. The first one is you're finding a drama in the world around them. Find a drama in the world around you, an extraordinary community or everyday events. So we've been working on that. We've been brainstorming that. We created that Padlet of real life dramas. Then we're practicing the close observation, the capturing the who, what, when, there, why. Who, what, when, where, why. I can't talk today. Okay, and then the next one, are your news stories efficient? Are they lean? Have you gotten down to the short but packs a punch and captures your reader's attention? Do you use an objective tone? Are you talking in the third person as a reporter? Are you you're recording facts, quotations, and accurate and important details? Also, you're looking to bring to light the social significance of your story. It says, angle the story for the social significance. Is this going to look backwards on the video? I hope not. Okay, and then you want to raise what we talked about yesterday, raise the level of suggestive details, grace notes, delightful jolts, and unified focus, which means that we're going to use a good vocabulary, and we're going to have a catchy ending, and that's about it. Okay, now I'm moving on to checklists, which help you publish. This is the last minute editing checklist. The first thing on here is that we check the names of the people and places are spelled correctly. Good journalists always checks their spelling because that would be embarrassing to publish somebody's name misspelled. You ran a finger over each sentence to make sure your ending punctuation is clear and that the commas seem sensible and similar to those you've seen in books and articles. You looked at your quotes and compared them and compared the very specific punctuation to these models. And they've given you, this is attached in Google Classroom, how you should embed quotes and how you should introduce quotes according to one witness, and then it has a quotation. You could tuck it inside of a narrative. The first witness claimed that, and then put your quote. Leading with a quote, you give the quote, and then at the end it says how witnesses describe the incident. So again, refer to this before you publish. Also, you indented or skipped lines to a paragraph when the setting changes, when time changes, for a mood change, and expository paragraphs for new ideas or examples. So make sure you check this out before you publish. Confer with me, and then we will get this thing published and start a new one. All right, looking forward to reading what you write.